Hello, I'm Vivian. Today, I'm showing you how to make a double bubble. I'm going to make a double bubble of 5 finger width now. Prepare a long balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Leave 5 to 10 finger width uninflated at the tail end. Now the balloon is ready. We usually measure balloon's length by our fingers. Firstly, we make a single bubble of 5 finger width. Then make another single bubble. Pinch the balloon mouth. Connect it together. Across the middle. Remember to pull the knot out. We can across it again to make it tighter. Okay. We are done. Other double bubbles are all made in this way. Stay tuned and join me.